That's part of the tram system.
Yeah.
They used. Sure. I can't get over how low. And there's the new bridge.
Wow.
Yeah, when we came out here and they were building it, it was like crazy how they use those slip forms. It's just insane. They didn't have this before. This is all new, man. This is cool as shit.
Oh, you couldn't drive down?
No, and this is all brand spanking. Yeah, you just went straight down to the. Oh, they did it so you can see the bridge better and all that other stuff. That's cool shit.
Stop here on red.
Yeah, in case there's like a billy goat crossing or some shit. Yeah, and then we can park in the.
They have barriers, like they could.
Oh yeah. We can go park in the parking
You can
garage.
drive across still.
Yeah. We can drive across, come back, and then park in the parking garage. If you want to walk, then we can walk across. It's pretty cool, dude.
Yeah, they got one of the old tramage.
And then they got of course, they got the gift store.
Cafe. There's the damn tours.
Yeah, there's the damn VA. Yeah, the parking used to be like down there where that place is. You'd park and it's weird. They changed a lot. Yeah, and then we go to a different time zone. You know.
Oh, the restaurant and the bridge pier.
Yeah.
It's out of time. And then I guess there's a clock over there that says.
Yeah.
Although sometimes in here, is it the same?
I have no idea.
Shiny rock. And
Yeah, it's way down. Well, you can see it down to the bottom, way down there, like through that hole. That goes over, and having a good time here. Vegas, came for the race, saw some other shit. So like I said, just having a good time. Weather's beautiful, and doing a little tourist and stuff. And I think later on we're going to go to the NASCAR Craftsman Truck Series race. I'll get some footage of that, and we're going to be staying in we got not suites, but the lounge or the clubhouse. So I'll show some of that. I might do a separate video, just go ahead on that. So thanks, and have a great day. almost $900 on a club ticket, and we get there, and my seat's row 48, number 25. There isn't a seat, so I had to come back down. I didn't tape it, discuss it with the customer service folks, and supposedly tomorrow when I come back, I have 2 seats together in the clubhouse. I'm not going to hold my breath. I'll probably have to fight with them again tomorrow, but you know, that's my luck. So have a great day. Well, I've officially seen everything. They have mints in the bathroom at a NASCAR race. Well, in the clubhouse at least. Imagine that.
15 cars. Qualifying attempt. Jamie McMurray is and it also looks like Wade Bogart is on the backstretch one to win his hot Motor Speedway, America's racing showplace. 134 laps make up the distance of the Stratosphere Las Vegas 200. Now, last call on the beverages will come at lap 109. So if you're drinking, enjoy yourself. But cut off at lap 109 for the Stratosphere 200. I want you to drink responsibly. You know what I'm saying? We want you back tomorrow. Into the start zone. Kyle Busch is
This is what the Luxor looks like from the 21st floor. Looking down into the center. And this is the end of the first day. Watch a race. And, it's been a long day. It's 11 o'clock, 1 o'clock our time.